Yeah, what's going on? Why are you so awkward?
Shut up, bro.
Just do your thing.
You just do your thing, you say.
Yeah. Here, let's see. I'm gonna put the name of the keyboard in the chat.
Okay.
Cause y'all want to buy it.
Why would they want to buy this? So, like, literally.
Oh, I'll also send the picture of the picture the guy took of the thing on the.
Of the what?
See, Amazon delivery drivers to take a picture of the. Oh wait. You can flip this upside down if you want. Transform.
Perhaps. Flip vertical.
Flip vertical. There you go.
Look a bit weird.
Yeah, tilts it the wrong way.
I don't know. I can't fix it. Somebody's here, and that's probably Joey.
Hola, amigo.
Hola. Can you hear us properly?
Yeah, ¿cómo estás?
Whoever.
Who is you?
Incoming to, what's it called? Make yourself know.
Funny names.
Alright, so we got new keyboard. Yeah. I'm gonna.
There you go. That's the thing. Yep, that's that. Oh, I accidentally.
You just DM'd it.
Yeah, I accidentally DM'd you. Whoops.
Alright. So we only have one person here. But yeah, I guess I can. Holy shit! I don't know if I need to wait. There's only one person.
No, let's wait a little bit.
Okay, we'll wait a little bit. We'll wait. We'll wait
Suspense,
a little bit.
you know what I'm saying?
Suspense, yeah. We'll wait. You know, I want Sports to be here. Sports is my new favorite viewer, man. I don't even know him, or well, his Roblox character's a he, so let me just get rid of that. It's gonna bother me. I don't know why this one piece of hair is pink. Bitch. But like, whoever that viewer is, whoever the fuck you are, hope your day's been good.
Where's mod view?
The fuck is your problem? And then it's gonna say that shit in the chat again.
We can see who's in chat.
Oh wait, I didn't even know that. It doesn't say who. Oh.
See, like, there's a bunch of these people, but they aren't actually watching. Like, looking for gamers and sad girl.
Yeah, why are they always here?
It says they're here, but they're not.
That's so weird. Is that a glitch?
I don't know, probably.
I think that those are bots.
Like, why would your account be up if they were bots?
Okay, then one of them is not a bot.
It says there's 4 people in here.
But there aren't 4 people in here.
Yeah, exactly. That's what's confusing to me.
What the fuck is going on now? I didn't know that. I didn't. When did they have this mod view?
Oh fuck no! Beginning of time.
Beginning of time. Oh God, I was trying to do one. I want my second one. I'm gonna stay up until like 6 AM again. Still one viewer. I don't know why I'm still here.
Yeah, who them is?
Make yourself known.
Make yourself know.
Wait, what the fuck was that? Incoming to West? No, not Westbound. Westbound.
Incoming to Tumbleweed. Make yourself know.
Incoming to Tumbleweed. Make yourself known. Yeah, let's do ASMR. Stop! I hate it. I hate it.
Let's read the German on the back.
Me?
Standard Tastatur. Tasten?
Standard.
No.
Standard
Tasten.
Tastatur. Standard.
Tasten mit besonderes.
Why are you being? You can't read.
Yeah, I can't read.
Tasten mit.
Let's read the Chinese.
I can't read that.
Bitch, I can.
Keyboard.
Wow, where'd you learn that?
Standardo.
We got twos.
I don't know.
Yo, who them is?
Yo, who you is? Hey, what's
Incoming
up?
to Rack Cracker. Make yourself know.
Yeah, we should put that. Incoming to Rack Cracker. Make yourself know. Language US. I should have did another language to fuck myself up.
Wow.
Cotman. Does anyone know how to read Chinese?
Yeah, any Chinesers in the chat? Chinesers.
I want to read this Chinese on the.
Here, I'll help. I'll use
I can't even. They can't even read it. It's mirrored. Wait, let's fix that. Let's fix that so they can read it. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Oh, cause that's all. Oh my god. That's so weird.
That's funny.
That's creepy.
Just do fit the screen. Why you? Oh, you actually got it perfect first time.
Cause it snaps. It snaps to it.
Alright, let's just open it.
Yeah, let's just open it.
You can watch it as a VOD later.
Yeah, you can. Anybody who missed it, you can watch it. You can watch it later.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow, that has like no feeling at all.
Wow.
Well, take the bitch out. They can't see it. Here, I'll read the manual, okay? I'll read the
Wow. Okay, I'm taking it out.
Rebelita uploaded the screenshot.
Shut up.
Wow, it has a wait. It's got a. You can take off the USB cable.
What? What do you need that for?
If you want to use a different cable. Wait, what?
Okay.
No, they were lying.
Yeah, they're lying.
Then what is this? Oh, is this to connect to the? You are so confusing.
I like it. This is a really cool keyboard.
You
And
got
now-
a numpad too.
Yeah.
Numpad's nice.
I made sure that I had it too.
You're gonna start using the numpad now?
No.
Wow.
Only for like muting the stream music.
Numpad gang.
Imagine if the stream music is actually on, and then I'm just like I'm pausing and unpausing it rapidly. I feel so bad. Imagine. I don't know if I want to keep it like, you know, up here or like put it down here. Like just like that.
Well, to avoid carpal tunnel, you want your hands and wrists at the same elevation as your elbows. I don't know why I was reading the Spanish.
As if you knew it.
I was actually like reading this. El fabricante los
You're pissing off a group of people.
no
You're
son
pissing-
responsables.
Listen, you're pissing off a group of people. Stop.
Okay, I'll read the Chinese then.
Oh my, you
No, that's
can't even read
Japanese.
it.
This is that.
You can't, you don't even know how to read it.
Okay, you're traditional Chinese and simplified Chinese. I'm gonna read what I learned. Simple, simplified.
Yeah, you learn simplified.
我不是中国人.
That's not what it says!
Yes, it does.
That's not what it says. Dude, they can see my smallest hands. Sorry, guys. I know it's horrible to see. It's horrible to see. Knee reveal.
Oh, you don't have function keys, so that's a bit sad.
What do you mean function keys? What are those?
You can like pause and play your music.
I don't need that!
Skip forward and backwards.
I literally don't use those. I never use those. Whoever uses those is a boomer.
No, it's just easier. A lot of people use those. They're actually really helpful.
I love this keyboard.
So I can like skip songs on Spotify without having to leave my game. Or like alt tab.
Legit, you have two monitors too.
Yeah, but it's still alt tabbing. All I have to do is press 2 buttons and I can skip the track. The track.
Okay, we're going to disconnect this one.
I can't even see it.
Shut up. We're gonna disconnect my old keyboard. Yeah, you can hold this.
She said you can hold this. I'm holding it.
Yeah, I didn't say anything though. So I don't know why you're so what's it called? Excuse that. I hope you didn't hear that. Hopefully the audio, like the oh shit, the microphone moved. I forgot I moved it.
Made it Dusseldorf.
Hopefully you guys can hear us properly. If not, let us know. Otherwise, I don't know who the hell you are, but speak up, like y'all. This is we're trying to talk. You know, we're trying to chill. And y'all being silent as fuck. Okay, give me a second. See ya.
Nice. These are double shot injected too.
Okay, you can pull out the keyboard now. And then you can put the other cable down here.
Is something rattling in your keyboard?
Probably some crumbs or something.
Why do they put 2 cable ties on this? Simply not necessary. Are you examining this?
Shut up.
Fishing! Jesus Christ. Just pull the whole goddamn thing in. You're in the head. Just take it off. You're only streaming in 30 FPS?
I didn't know that.
Oh, get my monitor.
Oh my god, it does that.
Yeah, I know it does that.
All you have to do is like move around the cables. That usually works for me. That scared me. It's just my drawing tablet. Oh my god. This stream's a mess. I don't know why I'm still getting notice on my other Discord.
Revived the keyboard. I mean, monitor. Simply.
Those are useful on the keyboards.
Oh, it fucking died again. Shit.
Hold on, I'll just mute him. That's fine. Okay. Excuse me. Damn. I really do be liking this keyboard though. Hold on, we're gonna go on
Like that's just like a normal membrane keyboard, but it's just got big keys on it.
okay, we're gonna get rid of that camera. We're just gonna
Okay, bye.
What, you're leaving?
Yeah, that's all I was here for.
Rip. We got grandma's chair right here.
So your old keyboard speaks.
Alright, let's start. I'll put on my headset then. Alright guys. I'm gonna do a typing speed test. My friend recommended me to do that, so I'm gonna do that. Okay. Hopefully this time it doesn't like, what's it called? It doesn't like sink down like it usually does. Okay. I'll just move that out of the way. Alright, I'm gonna do a speed test. I've got a, what's it called? Share my screen too while I'm doing so you guys can see. Or like share my tab. Whatever. If shit doesn't lag like hell, like it usually does, it usually lags. I'm not quite sure what we're gonna do afterwards, but I'm thinking some bad business for a bit because I'm still obsessed with that. Oh my god, this is gonna be a bit difficult to type with because the keys are a little, you know. I usually use the live chat one. I don't know what you guys use for typing. Oh, it's different. Okay, give me a second. Yeah, you did. You did leave your phone in my room. Too bad for you. Oh, never mind. You're here.
Make yourself.
Window capture.
Jesus Christ, your face is too bright now.
Yeah. Alright, here it is. Here it is. Fit the screen. I'll put my webcam above it, or I guess below it, whatever. Device default. Okay. We're back. Just gonna plot myself down right there. Check on a few things. Everything's fine and dandy. Alright. Let's see. So my usual, I think my usual is like 60, 70-ish, around that point. So let's see how slow I become with this new one. Alright. Alright, let's go. I have to click there? Are you kidding? Okay. Holy crap. RIP. Shit. Oh, shiz! Okay, 80. Okay, 80. 80's not bad. That's pretty cool. I thought it would be like way slower, but apparently not. Apparently I'm still around the same. So that's awesome. I'm just rounding up, man. I'm rounding up. It's the same shit, okay? Same shit, different story, okay? Alright.